Welcome to the Von Educational Series. Today we will show you how to assemble and use the Von vacuum cleaner. Let's start by looking at what comes in the box. So we have in it the hose pipe, which is very important when you're using your vacuum cleaner. We have something called the telescopic tube. It's really important because you need to connect it. And we have a very important thing. That's the main unit, the one that comes with the motor. We have something else which is important. It's called a combination tool. It has this space here, very important for tight spaces and corners of your room. It has a brush for your curtains. We also have something called the floor brush. It's actually very important because I'm sure you're buying the vacuum cleaner, most important for this one. I'm going to assemble it and show you how to use it. This is the dust tank. This is 1.6 liters. And again, it comes with another one that is 3.5 liters. That's how you remove it, and this is how you return it. So in it, it has something called HEPA filtration. That is high efficient particulate air, which is very important for people living with allergy and asthma. It ensures that it captures 99.9% of the dust particles in your room. I'll show you how it looks. This is how the HEPA filtration looks. This is the HEPA filtration, very efficient, found only on Premium's vacuum cleaner. This is how you return it. You close it and you take it back to your main unit. Thereafter, you take your hose pipe, connect the bigger part to the main motor. You take this part, you take your telescopic tube, you insert it here. Again, you take your floor brush, you insert it here, and you can start using your vacuum cleaner. Most importantly, you can increase the height of the telescopic tube depending on your position. If you want to bend, if you want to stand. Once you're done, for the tight corners and your couches, you take the combination tool, you fix it here. This is called the crevice tool. It's very important because you're going to vacuum the tight spaces and corners in your room and also on your couches. After you're done, you want also to use it on your curtains. You just turn the crevice tool to this side of the brush and you can start doing your curtains. And also, most importantly, you will need something called the cord. This is the power cord. You can pull it. It is 5 meters long, so you don't need to carry your vacuum cleaner around your room. You can take it back by pressing again the power cord button. We also have the power button, just you turn it on and you turn it off. The Von vacuum cleaner is durable and reliable, designed for every household. It's available on our online platform, that is www.von.co.ke. Also available at our outlets within the country and also the nearest supermarket, you can also find it there.